guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm going to get ready for my son's birthday today, so I thought why not to share this video with you guys. So I'm up to date with you. For primer, I'm using this Nivea after shaving cream. I guess I'm going to leave all these things in the description box below. If you want to check out, you can do so. If you're new here, I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, fashion and lot more. Do not miss to catch up all that fun. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my latest new uploads. And yeah, keep watching. I'm using a buffer brush to blend it all because I find it to be really helpful in blending and it makes me look more even. So I love this brush. So I've been using this brush quite a lot in my other videos too. If you want to know regarding my brushes, then do comment in the comment section below. I would love to answer you. After blending, I'm going to conceal my dark circles. For that, I'm going to use this small concealer palette from Grwm. For this, I'm using my fingers and just keep dabbing. For concealing, I find sponge or fingers to do a very good job because fingers work great when compared to brushes, so I find this to be easy, so I do it like this. If you want to use brush, then you can go ahead and do that too. After concealing my dark circles, I'm going to conceal my other dark spots which are here and there in the face too. So yeah, I just want to make it an even looking face, so I should definitely do that. I'm going to set my face using this compact because I have a very oily skin. I should definitely set my face with the compact. Next is my favorite part is to do my eyebrows. I love my eyebrows and I just want to make it look every time as perfect as like it has to be. So yeah, I'm just filling it up. Just smudging it out a bit because the harsh lines should not be seen out, so to make it look fuller, so I'm just using the smaller brush to smudge out. Next, I'm going to blush my face using this blush palette. I'm going to use a pretty pink color because I'm going to wear a white outfit, so this color will definitely glow up my face, so I'm going to use a pink color here. Just make a fish face to apply the blush because if you do that, you get it right. Next, I'm going to apply this peachy toned color to my eyes. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Just applying evenly all over my eyelids. I'm just applying on the layer basis because I don't want too much color on my eyelids, so just taking some amount at a time. Next, I'm going to pair it up with this highlighter. So I'm going to apply this highlighter on above my eyelashes. So I'm going to just make it a dual eyeshadow look. So this is gonna bright up my entire face because it's a bright golden highlighter. I hope you can see this eyeshadow look. It looks amazing. I just love it and it turned out to be very pretty. And I'm not gonna use any eyeliner here, and that's it. This is how I've done my eye look, and I'll just apply the kajal and mascara. That's it. Using the same highlighter, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, nose bridge area and cupid bones, and some on my forehead too. I know I've not concealed my spots too much because I don't want too much makeup on my face because it irritates me so much, and I just want to be on the natural side. So I've done this look, and I hope you love this look, and do comment me in the comment section how am I looking in this look. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Cherry Crush from Maybelline. I love this lipstick. It is not the perfect red, but it has a red mixed with some peachy undertones added onto it. So I just love that, and yeah, it's going to be absolute plus to this look. I forgot to apply the kajal before adding the lip color, so I'm doing that now. I am using black kajal here, just a normal one. Guys, my makeup is done now, and I hope this was really enjoyable watching. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit like and share this video as well. And yeah, I have also done many other makeup tutorials. If you like this, then you would love that too. So keep watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.